How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Now today we start our lesson number 7, tenses. In previous classes, students, you have learned about the tenses. Now, first I explain you that what is tense. Now the tense of the verb tells us the time of the action. जो students tense होती है verb की, जो वर्ब की टेंस होती है वो हमें ये बताती है कि जो काम किया गया है वो किस समय किया गया है. एंड इट टेल्स अस व्हाट वेदर द एक्शन हैज टेकन प्लेस इन द पास्ट. और ये बताता है कि जो एक्शन है वो पास्ट में कब हुआ. एंड इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंट और विल टेक प्लेस इन द फ्यूचर. और प्रेजेंट में और वो फ्यूचर में कब होगा उसके बारे में भी ये हमें जानकारियां देते हैं. Now here first is verb that are used to tell that the action takes place in the present are written in present tense. verb जो हमें ये बताता है, जो यूज होती है एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस करने में कि वो प्रेजेंट में है तो उसे हम प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. verbs that are used to tell that the action took place in the past are written in past tense. जो verb हमें ये बताती है कि जो एक्शन है वो पास्ट में हुआ है उसे हम पास्ट टेंस में लिखते हैं. verbs that are used to tell that the action will take place in the future are written in future tense. verbs जो हमें एक्शन जो है वो पास्ट टेंस में फ्यूचर में होने जाएगा होगा उसे हम फ्यूचर टेंस में लिखते हैं. here some examples like that. केतन goes to school. केतन स्कूल जाता है. This one is present tense. केतन went to school. केतन स्कूल गया था. गया past tense. And केतन will go to school future tense. केतन स्कूल जाएगा. The three tenses are further categorized. ये जो तीनों tenses students इन्हें categorize किया गया है. Read the table given below to understand the different tenses. तो इन्हें आप रीड करेंगे तो आपको सारे टेंसेस जो हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे. Here students you see that present tense is categorized into four tenses, four parts: simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Same simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. And here simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. So students, the three tenses are divided into four parts. They have four parts: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. You see that the boys plays football. Here प्लेज वर्ड जो प्लेज वर्ब है वो आपको बता रहा है कि ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में हुआ है. द बॉय प्लेड फुटबॉल. द बॉय विल प्ले फुटबॉल. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में द बॉय इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. आपके पास डूइंग वर्ब प्लस बीइंग वर्ब दोनों रहती है. द बॉय वॉज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल and the boy will be playing football. The structure of these tenses are subject plus is, am, are plus V1 and its ing form, then object. Was, were plus V1 in its ing form, will, shall plus be and verb in its ing form. Present perfect tense, the boy has played football. Past perfect, the boy had played football. And in future perfect, the boy will have played football. So, hope you understood the structure of that tense. That here the being verb is has, have and V3. Here the being verb is had and V3. And here the being verb is will, shall, then have and V3. Now present perfect continuous. The boy has been playing football. The boy had been playing football and the boy will have been playing football. So students, you write all the example of all the four tenses, three tenses and its four types. and try to understood it. And in next videos, I explain one by one all the three tenses.